Hello guys, come to the next concept of this lesson, tracing changes through 1000 years, which is meant for the medieval period. So in the last class, I had explained many more things, in what way the differences will take place, in what way the changes and reforms took place. So in this concept regarding this old and new religion wise, now we are taking the concept of religion wise, how the differences have been taken place, how these changes took place in the medieval period, according based on the ideas and the transformation of the people. Example here, personally, if anybody wanted to divine the divine nature of a particular person is really completely it is their own, completely it is belong to their own. Okay, it is personally, it is personal, entirely it is personal and individual. But see children, if you wanted to take the worship of a particular, if you want to go through a particular divine, it is your own approach. Okay, nobody will hurdle you. Okay, so like when number of the people are following the same divine, the same process of the divine, if the number of the people are collectively the divine towards a supremacy agency, towards a single supremacy agency, then it can be called a religion. You may take what are the religions, you may say Muslim is one religion, Sikh is another, Buddhism is another, Jainism is another, Christianity is another, and our Hinduism is another religion. So here religion is nothing but a particular, all the religion people, the people who are belong to a particular religion will follow a particular divine theory. Okay, so the different culture and tradition and what is that entire, it depends on the faith. Okay, so it is belief on divine is completely, it is individual. But when it is coming to that religion is nothing but when combinedly the number of people collectively as an association following the same theory or divine, then it is called, they approach towards a particular divine and they have their belief in particular divine, then they can be called as a religion. Okay children, so now here based on this religion also, in the olden days, once you take this Hinduism is one religion. In the religion, first and the foremost, the earlier period of the medieval period, people, the kings also had started to take the belief on particular deities, and gradually when the belief has extended, even the rulers also have started to construct a number of temples. Okay, even the rulers, in this class also you come to know, the rulers always they wanted to show their powerfulness or mightiness or their wealthy towards by constructing number of the temples in their region. Number of the temples you can find even in Tamil Nadu and some regions, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. In this, because earlier the number of the people, the rulers had constructed number of the temples, and you may take like belong to that Muslims also, the constructions have been taken based on their belief or faith. Okay, so here when the number of constructions were take place and number of deities installment was also taken, installed a number of deities in that temples, and after that Brahman's importance was totally maximum, it has been accelerated. That means number of Brahmins who are belonged, that their dignity was extended a lot in the starting period of or in the medieval period. Okay, and they are sometimes we may also say that was the period, and that was the time period that they showed their supremacy over the rulers even. Okay, so even they are the patrons. They are the patrons of the rulers and mighty personalities and so many other people. They are the maximum. Their dignity was extended a lot in the medieval period because their knowledge is such a, because the Sanskrit texts were read by them. So that the knowledge that what they are having in giving in taking the text of this Sanskrit brought a great opinion on the Brahmins. So then after that, some period after that, this time also was existed in the medieval period, that the changes have come that these Brahmins also were not needed, because the Brahmins earlier were used as they are the media persons between the people and the God, as priests, as pujaris. So after that, the people had come to conclusion that there is no need of particular rituals and particular person as a priest to reach the God. These are not needed. Okay, for example, Bhakti movement has arrived. So towards this Bhakti movement, even you take Mirabai you can take, or Tulsi Das and Ram Das. So all these personalities, they had followed singing the songs in the streets by the Bhakti related songs, because the illiterate people also, who are not educated people also, can understand the concept of the God, but not through the priests and rituals. So like singing the songs with the musical way, they would like to maximum expand the dignity, expand the devotee system. So in this way, there was a change that the priests and brahmanas also were not needed to reach the God. So like this, some changes took place in the medieval period. And in the same way regarding the Islamic, if you take the Islamic people, as we already know that number of the Islam people, even Islam was introduced in our country, and even Quran was also introduced. The teachings of Quran were also introduced in our country in the 7th century itself. From the 7th century onwards, the merchants who are and the Islam people who are coming for our country, they have brought the teachings of the Quran also. So then onwards, the Islam was totally installed in our country. After that, number of the Islamic rulers, they have come from the Central Asia and they had ruled our country for many more years. Under the Delhi Sultans, even 5 dynasties had ruled, and Arab people had ruled our country. And even Delhi Sultans, there are the 5 dynasties, as already I said that, were Slave dynasty, Khalji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty, Ghori dynasty. And after that, same Islamic people, Mughal emperors also, Babur, Akbar, Jahangir, Rajasthan, Akbar after Humayun after Babur after Jahangir, Shah Jahan, like Aurangzeb, up to Aurangzeb, this ruling was totally prominent way and very extraordinary way. They were not deteriorating, they had extended their level of ruling gradually. But after the death of the Aurangzeb, their merit was totally declined. After that, it was also vanished. So in this way, the Islamic people had strongly installed in our country. Okay, and that the number of the people after this generation is number of see in our country also the second populated people after Hinduism, they are the Muslim people only, Islamic people only. 14% is Islamic people, even though this Pakistan was separated from India. Okay, so Pakistan and Bangladesh, they are separated from India. The first 80% can be taken as the Hindus people and 14% can be taken as Islamic people. The people who wanted to live in Indian subcontinent very peacefully, they had here only they had settled. Anyway, here there is no specification of any particular reason, because Indian subcontinent or Indian constitution have given the equal importance to all the people without any differences. Okay, so anyway, here in the Islamic religion also, they had taken different type of the bhakti was also existed in the Islam. Divisions were there in the Islamic religion. For example, Sunni Islam, in the Islamic religion, Sunni Islamic people are there. Sunnis are nothing but they will follow that Muhammad bin the Prophet Muhammad son-in-law is there, Ali. So they are the followers of the Ali. They are the followers of the teachings of the Ali, and they had accepted Ali as their legacy. Okay, so in this way they are different to the Shias. Shias are nothing but the people who are the followers of the Prophet Muhammad son-in-law Ali. Okay, Shias. Sorry, Sunnis I said, but Shias. Okay, and after that Sunnis are there. Sunnis are nothing but they are the followers of Khalifas. Khalifas are nothing but earlier leaders of the Islamic people, and they are believing the teachings of the Khalifas, and even the succeeding leaders also, they are also Khalifas only they are called. So earlier leaders who are called Khalifas and the succeeding leaders also, they are believing on the teachings of them. So like this, there are number of various schools of the law were existed in the Islamic religion, but their theology, their themes and their teachings and what they are different from one to another. So in this way, there were the differences even in the Islamic religion. Okay, so these are how did they arrived in the medieval period, because of the questioning and knowledge and ideas and transforming and bringing some concepts into the existence. So the people had started to change what is already existing or not carried on with, and they had changed some brought-ups were taken place in the medieval period. So in this way, Islamic religion, somewhat changes were occurred, and even in the Hinduism also, number of the changes took place. And after that, taking about the time and historical period. So talking about this concept, this is the conclusion of this lesson. Actually, half of this concept you might have know what were the things you have come to know in the 6th class, and what are the things you are going to know in the 7th class. So this is about what we are talking about. But before that, the division took place. Even in our India, there was a division. So this division, actually, historians are then the people who study the history. They will not take the time as we are mentioning, like days or months or years or completing the calendar type. They don't mention this time as it is. Okay, they mention the time as what the conditions took place in this period, in what way economical and social and awareness took place in another way, what is the difference from period to period. So based on social, economical, political and cultural differences, based on these differences, the time period will be categorized or differentiated, okay, according to historians. So historians will take the history and they will, to make us very clearly to understand, they divide the history into some particular periods. For example, here ancient period, what was the status of the people? In ancient period, what did we come to know? In ancient period, the people, early man people, how did he live? And finding out agriculture and wheel invention. After that, finding out fire and staying beside the rivers, and civilizations have been taken place. After taming the animals and cattle rearing occupation also they had taken, and they had also, after that, number of some rulings were taken place. After that ruling has been established, the questionnaire has started in the minds of the people. So is it right or wrong? So with this questionnaire of the ideas, Jainism and Buddhism also has been started, and after that the kings have started to invade on other kingdoms and emerging those kingdoms. So these situations, in what way the changes took place in the ancient period, we have come to know. In what way Mahajanapadas have formed, Janapadas how they have formed. So all these things we had come to know in the 6th class. So in this way, according the division, so in the medieval period, what the conditions? Something extraordinary, some changes which are taking place in the science and technology, it will be taken as the modern period. Now we are belong to the modern period. Okay, so in the initial period, what is the ancient period? In the middle, that is medieval period, and our extending of this science and technology awareness is coming under the modern period. This is the differentiation of the historians. Okay, so according this, even the Britishers who had ruled our country for 200 years, the Britishers also had divided our Indian history. In what way? There are three. What is that? The first division is Muslim division and Hinduism division, and another one is Christianity. Why did they take Christianity? Because the Britishers ruled our country. So their religion is Christianity. And Central Asia, number of Muslim people had ruled our country. So that is a period belong to Islamic period. And Hindus people like Harshvardhana, Ashoka, number of Gupta rulers, Cholas, so like all some Hindus people also had ruled our country. So it will come under the Hinduism. Like that depends on the religion of the rulers. Britishers had divided the Indian history, but not on basis of any social or cultural changes. Okay, or economical changes they did not mention. But this is not clear. Actually, the division was not only based on the religion. it must also should take into consideration all the other aspects which in economically in what way people had developed, technologically how the people had developed, and socially how what the traditions and cultures also or rituals changing how have been taken place. So all these conditions should take for the division of the periods or time. Okay, so this is coming under this Britishers division. In what way we cannot accept that as it is based only on the religion. And after that, difference between ancient period to medieval period, as already I said that medieval period somehow it was extended towards the science and technology, and invention also has been taken place. In the Persian wheel was invented for the agricultural purpose, and after that you may take some of the awareness took place, some of the changes took place in the army system. Okay, and the spinning wheel was also it was also invented. So number of changes took place. Even the people also has started to think about the things what going on in the society, in what way the changes should be taken place. So all these in the ancient period, what were the conditions took place in the medieval period, they were changed. Somehow they were extended. We cannot changings with extensions were taken place in the medieval period. Okay, so this is about the concept of tracing changes through 1000 years. So 700 to 1750, within this 1000 years, how many changes took place in our country? So in our country, in what way the people attitude was changed, technology was started a lot and it has been enhanced, and pressing here printing press was also invented, paper usage was also started, and from the scribes to printing machine when it was invented, what were the changes took place in the society? So in what way the people extended their knowledge? So all these things are happened in the medieval period within this 1000 years. And still the entire the lessons of this history will explain you much more about the conditions which are took place in the medieval period. Okay children, this is about this. So with this concept the entire lesson is completed. Okay, I think I wish you all had understand the concept of this first lesson, and once you have to go through the textbook even, and the pictures which are given, and the tabular forms which are given, what the contents which are extra the pics, or you may take to understand more clearly, some are given in the textbook. If you have to, you must have to go through that to clearly understand the concept of this lesson, including my lecture. Okay children, and stay with the online classes. It's very good for you. Staying at home and learning all the lessons is a very precautionably, it is very good for you, because on this corona pandemic crisis, we should not ignore our studies. Okay, that is the basic concept everybody must take into consideration. We must not stop our acquiring knowledge. Okay, you must always continue with the lessons and be careful to get the knowledge even, and to be very healthy, and to take all the precautions and immunity developing the food items you must take more and more for not affecting to the corona. Okay children, and be safe at home and be connected with the online classes. Thank you.